Hey art lovers, how you doing today? I got a 10 by 10 canvas here. I got a bunch of leftover paints still. So we'll see if we can't get them used up today. It's like mix some more up. These have been sitting around for a while. Can't get my gloves on. Hands are all sweaty. It's warm in the studio again today. It's like summer's here. So it's just pretty cool. Maybe I get some more riding in. And I hate seeing my eagle sitting out there. My motorcycle is sitting there in the shed. And this looks like it's just begging me to come out and get on it and ride, you know. Got a blowout. Have to here pretty soon. I'm gonna have to go get some different tires on it. And tires are a couple of years old. Quite a few miles on them and getting pretty thin in the threads. So. Plus we got the big Guinness Book of World Records coming up for the most Harley Davidsons in a parade in a row or whatever, you know. And we attempted it last year and fell short because it wasn't planned very well and wasn't set up very well. But this year's supposed to be different, so we'll see. But that's coming up. Throw some black in there and some green. And this is Deco Art Americana paint that I'm using. And it does have silicone in it. Spot on treadmill silicone. The black don't, but everything else does. That was 3 types of green. I had a little bit of black, and then Deco Art Americana sour apple, which is the light green. Then we have a little bit more sour apple in another container. Then we have just plain green. And then we have a turquoise color. That looks white in my monitor, but it's a real light bluish, I guess bluish turquoise, green turquoise. Okay. I don't know if I get any more out of my white or not. Got some air. Yep, I think that's it. Nose more for Dwight. Do a crisscross black. Alrighty, there's my concoction. We're going to take it, we're going to flip it over and set her down. Straight with the world. Let it settle for a little bit. And here we go. Hey, that's green. Before we do that, I'll pop the air bubbles. I'm try to bring some more cells up than what's popping out on their own. Looks like I might have to move that light just a little bit further back, just so it wouldn't. So it's hitting back here somewhere, and not directly on, dropping directly on the canvas. Get the corners. Looking pretty cool, huh? Sometimes it comes up, it takes a while to come up with a name for something. I don't know, splash of green just came to my mind on this one, so I don't know if that's what it will be called or not, but something just popped in my head and oh, splash of green, you know, so who knows. Here with more some fire. See if I can bring some little cells up. All those air bubbles in there. Where'd they come from? Well, a little close. spot of paint is bubbled up. That means it's just a little close. So we'll tilt it and see if we can run that part off. Trying to fix my mistake here a little bit. Got a little close to the fire. Wipe off the edges. It's running, but it's running slow. Let's tap it on the edge here and see if we can't get it to flow a little quicker. But it's green. And that light is not doing it any justice. Go figures. Little spot right there in the center where the silicone is showing through, or it's on the canvas. So we'll add some paint to those areas since my hands are all full of green anyway. Alrighty, I think I got them all. Might have missed one here and there, but well, there you have it. Not sure what I'm going to call it yet. Kind of looks like green slime, but you know, hey. But anyway, all the dried stuff, or all the dried pictures will be at the end of the video. Name will be on the video, whatever I decide to call it. So if you like what I'm doing, give it a painter's thumbs up. Leave down in the descriptions what you like about it. Hit that subscribe button down there in one of the corners. I think it's down there, this corner. Hit that little notification bell so you know when I'm uploading more videos like this, or my new videos on the Painting with Dennis series that I've started. So till next time, get out there and paint something.